it never change. It never change even when the people in it do. Means people change, atmosphere change, situation change, but once a picture is clicked, that moment, that situation, in the picture you catched, that is not change. That is why it's a feeling, it's a kind of atmosphere, it's a kind of eye-catching, time-catching activity you do. You will be helpful and you will able to catch yourself, memorize yourself later on when you will see these photographs and you will show these photographs to others. Anyway, today I am going to tell you about few types of photography. These all are knowledge. You should know these all things. We have so many things in photography. And when you are going to attend this activity, you need to know these all things. Now I am going to tell you various types of photography. In that, one is portrait. You see, this is a portrait type of photography. This is called portrait. In the portrait, normally we try to catch the expression along with the subject in the atmosphere. Second, still life photography. Still life photography is such kind of photography in which you can express yourself from those still objects, and it is going to show the feelings, it is going to show your message, it is going to show your feelings. I am coming to landscape photography. In the landscape, you will find huge area. And when you are going to click huge area photograph, at that time, what happens normally, we see that in that huge area, which kind of view you are going to see. In normal eye, what happens? In normal eye, when we see the picture at that time, we found ourselves that a kind of picture which we are clicking, that's it, this much in area. But when you are going to click a landscape, it should give this much view. There only we use wide angle lens. It used to give us a lot of information about that land, and the beauty of that land you will able to represent. Now, see, these all are kind of fun you can use yourself for making your own satisfaction to show others. The next is food photography. It's a beautiful effect you can catch forever. There are so many types of delicious food, and those, as soon as you will catch by your camera, it will remain for a long time with you. Now, your favorite subject, games, sports. You know, sports photography is having so many varieties. In each and every game, you can participate. you can enjoy, you can click the picture, you can store for yourself, you can show others. And in that sports photography, there are huge chance, huge opportunity to do so many creation. Okay, see the pictures, you will able to understand how much you can do in that one. Now coming to wildlife photography, this is not your time to do wildlife photography. Though then also when you go for a tour, in that tour you can find out yourself to get this kind of photograph, because at that time you normally used to be within an area, maybe in jeep, maybe in car, maybe in that car which is made purposely for visiting that place, for take you for traveling that place. Is it? You can do photography from, but you need to understand yourself, you need to know yourself, that what you would like to represent, what movement of that animals you can catch. Okay? Now see the photographs. If you are able to do, you can do. children, macro photography is a photography in which we normally used to show the beauty of very close up. Is it? Very nearer to the object. Though the next which is there, that is events photographs. There are so many events. You enjoy so many events. In those events, one is your birthday, your friend's birthday, your relative's birthday, another marriage ceremony. At your home, at your neighbors, with your friends, there are so many circles where you attend marriage ceremony. There, if you try to take few good picture, you will find the satisfaction which is going to give you. You cannot get it by any other thing. Okay, but for that you need to take some initiative. It's not like this that as soon as you will try to find out, you will get the things very easy way. Very easy way, you cannot get anything. You know, it is said that everything is difficult before they are easy. So before getting the things easy, so there will be so many difficulties. Face the difficulties. But you try to find out yourself how you can capture this, how you can get this. Try to find out. Photography, and at least you start doing it by your mobile camera, by your phone camera, by your digital camera, by your any type of camera you have. You start it, you will get so many things. But until unless you will start, you cannot get it. So again and again I am requesting you, please try to do photography. Send the photographs, try to rectify it, show others, you will be judged, you will be appreciated. From there only you will start learning it. Because if you do photography, keep it within you won't be able to get the result of it. What is going on, what you are clicking, according to your eyes and others' eyes to whom you are showing, is different. So show others and get the feedback from them. It will be benefited for you. Do photography. I think it will help you too much. Thank you very much for today, and you must do photography once more, I remind.